So if you want to schedule your Google Meet in advance for the next week, how would you do that? You do not want to schedule your Google Meet sessions one by one and then give it to your students or whoever it is who wants to join that session. Now there is a way out that I have figured out, and I think that will really help you. In fact, one of my subscribers actually asked this question in the comments in one of my videos, and that is why I am creating this video for all of you. Now, in case you like my video, please ensure to give me a like and do not forget to subscribe, because YouTube algorithm actually likes that. So without much ado, let's get started. So this is Sonit from Techitrical. So I am into my Google Calendar. So if you do not know how to reach to your Google Calendar or how to schedule your Google Meet, I have a separate video on that is popping up right now on your screen. So please make sure that you watch that after you finished watching this. So once you're into your calendar, so the first thing that you need to do is, so for example, from Tuesday, you would want to schedule your classes going forward for the next 3 days or 4 days. How would you do that? So sitting on Tuesday, what I do is I put a class name here, like say test 1. Okay, and then maybe my class is from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. In case again you do not know how to change these or those kind of things, I have those other videos that you can go through, because the intention of this video is not to go through all of those. Okay, and you can add the guests and everything. So you click on add Google Meet, and that actually adds the Google Meet there. And what you can do is you can save this. Okay, so what happens is on Tuesday you have scheduled a meeting. Now just click this option, give Control C, and then come to Wednesday, and on Wednesday what you do is you give another Control V. The same thing comes up. Okay, and here you can give just the title of your Google Meet session that you would want to have. Okay, again you just need to have a Google Meet there and you save it. Okay, so this becomes your test 2. So again I do Control C, and then on Thursday what I do is you can just click on Thursday now, because calendar now understands that you are trying to set up that meeting for all of those days on that same time. Okay, so you give your title here as test 3, click on add Google for video conferencing, it adds, and then click save. Now the part that you just need to understand here is, or you just need to verify here is, you click on test 1 and see what is the code that it generates. So for example, in this case it is O, Y, R, and then a series of other alphabets, right? And then I go to test 2, and then you see that it's a separate code altogether. So basically you are fine. So every time you do this activity, what happens is Google Meet is generating a new code for you, and that you can go on add. Okay, so I am on test 3. Again what I do is I do Control C, I just click here on Friday, and it comes up. I did not do a Control V, that is a paste. Okay, so I give test 4. Okay, I click on add Google Meet. So that actually generates the code, the one which I clicked here, which says that you have to add the Google Meet, and I do a save. So I basically think you now understand how this goes on, and you can make sure to have it scheduled for how many days you want. But the only downside here is they do not give you an option to select a start date and an end date and have those sessions done in that way. I think that is not possible. If I say does not repeat, and if I say daily, it might actually work. So this is something that I would want you to test it out and let me know in the comments if it did work. So what I meant is I do daily here, and I do join with Google Meet, fine, and I do a save. Okay, and then if you see, it actually goes on creating this test for all the days, right? So when I do daily, what you saw is it actually did create another one for me, another meeting. But if you look closely, the code is again the same. It's QDC for test 4 for Saturday, and for Friday you would see it's again QDC, and I do not know if that works. So that is what I would want you to test it out and let me know in the comments if that worked, or the option that I actually showed you, that worked. Because I have actually tested the option 1 that I showed you by copying the one and then generating a new code and then just copying it and having it in the series, right? So that will definitely work 100% because I have done it and I have scheduled it for my students. But the one which I showed you just now, I would want you to test that out and let me know in the comments. So there are multiple videos that you can see on my channel which are related to these kind of how-tos for Google Meet and different other applications. So please make sure that you watch those because they might really help you and save a lot of your time. Now there are 2 videos that are popping up right now on your screen. Please make sure that you watch them till the end. So till the next time, bye-bye.